Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to change resolution to 1920x1080 in Windows 11 so your display looks clear and properly fitted. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings from the menu. This opens the panel where your screen options are controlled. Step 2. Scroll down and find the Scale and Layout section. This is where size and resolution settings are grouped together. Step 3. Find Display Resolution and click the drop-down box under it. You'll see all resolutions your monitor supports. Step 4. Select 1920x1080 from the list. This sets your screen to Full HD and improves clarity. Step 5. Click. Keep changes when the prompt appears. This confirms and saves the new resolution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.